Hello, this video is going to show you how to do attendance. It's really important for you to know that if you go to your Viz portal right now, you will not see a screen that looks like this. You will not see your classes. You will not see attendance. It'll look like mine did on that first video, which is a bunch of lines. This will look similar to yours will look similar to this. I'm assuming in a few days, for sure the first day of school. So this is actually some like fake account that Sue gave me access to or Sue gave us access to so we could show you. Taking attendance is pretty simple. You will see your classes here and you will see attendance here and you will click take attendance. Yeah, it's kind of that simple. So it will just be right there under schedule if it's not just on your main screen already. And again, I wish I could actually play with it on my own, but I can't on my actual one. Yeah, you'll click take attendance for the class you want to take attendance for. And then if they're all present, you obviously will click that. If not, you click the little number. And then you choose which students are not present and why. So let's say Maggie is not there. Then click her absent. Let's say Natalie is late. Click her tardy. And do not worry because Colleen has access to all of this, of course, and she'll go in and she'll update it. If the absent was excused, she'll make those changes. You don't have to worry about any of that. And then you would save and close. And you're done. Some neat things to know is you can kind of see like how many students are absent and why. It's a little bit more user-friendly than before. Attendance will still be taken first period, no more. If you want to do attendance other classes, just do it somewhere else, not here. Not much has really changed. So that's kind of simple. That's how you take attendance. And again, to access this, it will be on your main page. And if it's not for some reason, just click the button that says schedule and performance. But again, I'm pretty sure it just will be there. But unfortunately right now, we don't get to play with it.